Myself, Muhammad Aseemuddin Asad, 25 years experience, civil engineer, and I was MVP planner for the world's biggest project. I started First Point Engineers Academy, making engineers employable. As you know, 80% engineers in India are unemployable, as per Aseemuddin Mind Report 2016. There are a lot of job opportunities for civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, electronics engineers, instrumentation engineers and architects in projects such as high-rise building, commercial complex, satellite township, mass housing project, metro rail project, airport, hospitals, smart cities, multiplex. Even below the road, there is a drainage line, water line, telephone line, electrical line. So our field is interlinked with each other, especially civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and architecture. Today I am going to talk about these engineers because as everybody knows, we are number one in computer science and IT related field. We are providing services to many parts of the world. We have high-tech city in Hyderabad, Silicon City in Bangalore and Pune city. But what about civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and architect? We are importing the designer from foreign country. Take an example of metro rail. The MEP consultant for the project is ACOM. Take Holiday Inn Hotel in Hyderabad. The MEP consultant from Australia, ADG. And see any project, even Chandrababu Naidu, for Amravati project is bringing Singapore, Japan, China. So we are importing the designers from foreign countries. Even the airports, we are taking the help of foreign consultants. We don't know practically how the work is. We are just learning software courses like Civil CAD, Mechanical CAD, Electrical CAD, Electronics CAD, Stat Pro, Primavera, designing without project execution. Many engineers, mechanical for example, they learn HVAC design or plumbing design or firefighting design, but they don't know how the execution is about. Same electrical, they learn designing without the execution of knowledge of the electrical and the coordination. Same civil, we don't have the coordination. Even to make a small house, you have drainage line, water line, AC, that comes in mechanical. The power supply comes in electrical, lighting comes in electrical. Door sizes, window sizes, room sizes, execution is given by architect. Slab, beam, columns and walls is execution by civil. But our syllabus doesn't cover the coordination among them to successfully complete the project. We First Point engineers bridging this gap where we make the engineers confident of doing the job. Just applying on the job portals will not fetch you a job. If you know how architect, structural, mechanical HVAC, electrical, electronics, plumbing are related with each other and the coordination. Let us take an example of shuttle lift lobby. For example, if you see this lift lobby, it looks like this. You can see here at the door entrance you will find AC and you have a sprinkler here. If there is a fire it will burst and throw the water, and you have here light. And the ceiling pattern is like this. It is given by an interior designer, architect. Here also you can see smoke detector here and you have here CCTV. So in this area you can see light, you can see sprinkler, you can see AC and you can see smoke detector and CCTV. So to make this, the architect has given this drawing first. Let us go to the architectural ceiling drawing. Now the ceiling drawing given by architect is like this. This is the ceiling drawing. You can see here shuttle, lobby, elevator, shop. So the architect says that chandelier, that is we call it as zoomer, AC diffuser, mechanical, CCTV, electronics, optical smoke detector, electronics, speaker, electronics, exit sign, electrical, loudspeaker, electronics, downlight, electrical, sprinkler comes in mechanical, plumbing, air, return air, exhaust air, mechanical side, access manager, electronics, horn speaker, electronics, downlight. Now that ceiling which you have seen the picture is something like this. The architect has given like this drawing integrated. Now you can see in front of the lift you have the AC, you have the you have the light, and you have seen it should come in the door center should match the grill center. Now you can see here the CCTV, and you can see here smoke detector, and the false ceiling you can see it's triangular type. Okay, you can see here lights, and also you have lights. Now to do this, I have shown you the picture. So each state drawing I am going to show you and the coordination. Let us start with mechanical structure. Okay. Now the same area, just I am showing one drawing. There are a lot of drawings actually. Now if you see here, this is the structure drawing. Further, I will show you the name. Okay, this is Aseemuddin structure. Now you can see that lobby here. This is the lift area. The slab is 300 mm thick. Okay, so it's structure drawing. Now if you see here also in the structure drawing, it is mentioned that this drawing is to be read in conjunction with all other engineering drawings such as architectural, structural, and EM. That is nothing but electromechanical or MEP. Now you have got one drawing. I am just giving example of each drawing, how it is linked to make the shuttle lift out. Now if I come to mechanical, so I will open the mechanical HVAC drawing for the same area. Now you can see the same area. Okay, you can see here HVAC drawing, ducting layout. Now if you see here, all field is here. Plumbing, firefighting, mechanical, electrical, here low current is written, here power line, light is written, this architect, structure. This is picture of all. So the one who signed here is a designer, because anything wrong, these people are responsible. But we don't know, but we are drawing only AutoCAD. Now let us see here, everything is given, notes, everything. Now this is the lift area, and you can see here, I will zoom in little bit. There is a duct passing here, and there is a flexible duct here, and the outlet is here. Now if you want to see this area, for example, how it looks, it is something like this. Above the ceiling, now you can see here, this is the duct which is mentioned in the drawing, and this is the flexible duct, and this is the lift area. We have to arrange in the center of this lift door to match center of the grill. Now you can see here two cable trays, and you can see here firefighting pipes, and you can see this pipe over here. Okay, whatever you see here, I will show you all in the drawing. So this, after that, the ceiling looks like this. Right? Now, let us go to the electrical drawing. Now I have shown you two cable trays. Now you can see the same area. Now this is electrical drawing. Cable routing, okay, E electrical. Now you have coordination of all the branches here. Plumbing, firefighting, okay, mechanical, electrical, architectural, structure. Okay, here also this drawing is to be read in conjunction with all other engineering drawings such as architectural and structural. Now this is the lift area. Now you have seen these two cable trays which I have shown you. The invert level of this is one, another invert level of the cable tray is this. So this is the cable tray you have seen in the picture. Now, next, now lighting drawing for the area. Now you see the electrical lighting plan for this area. So this is light, same area. You have coordination of all the branches. Okay, here also mentioned that they should coordinate with all other trades. Now you can see here, you have seen the pictures. Okay, you can see the light. This is the light, this is the light, this is the light, and there are lights here. There are lights here. So to do this area, all the trades are involved and the coordination. Now the fire, regarding fire, okay, there is a single pipe going from here. Now there is a separate drawing for that. This is firefighting, again ground floor, and again the coordination among all. And you see these are the pipes going above the ceiling. These are the pipe. You can see here, this is a sprinkler. You can see here, this is firefighting drawing. Now the same thing, now you have seen mechanical drawing, electrical drawing, now firefighting. Now I will show you water supply pipe. It's not linked with here, but it's passing from here. So before closing the ceiling, the engineers, plumbing engineer, that this pipe is already installed. You see this pipe, there is a separate drawing, water supply. Maybe it is not related to this area, but it is passing from here. So you need to study all drawings before closing the ceiling. Now let us take one more drawing related to electronics, because many electronics engineers, they don't know, they have a lot of scope. Now here, this is fire alarm. You have seen smoke detector in the picture. Now this is fire alarm and voice evacuation system. Again, we have coordination with all the trades. Okay. Now you can see here, there was the smoke detector. This is the smoke detector, one on the slab, other below the ceiling. Because if the distance between ceiling and slab increase more than 50 centimeter, we have to put one in the slab. And you can see here, this is related. So all these engineers coordinate with each other to complete as per the architectural given ceiling drawing like this. So this how we are doing the work, and finally it is like this. So which institutes, which colleges is training like that? So this is the skill gap, the coordination and execution of the project.